Setback to KCR as High Court stays demolition of Secretariat buildings. In a significant development, the Telangana High Court on Friday has directed the state government headed by K. Chandrasekhar Rao to stop the demolition of structures in State Secretariat. The High Court had given that judgment in response to a writ petition. The petitioner said the government had thrown all norms to the wind and decided to go ahead with dismantling the buildings. The High Court in the earlier verdict, while dismissing a batch of petitions challenging the state cabinet's decision, made it clear that it has no jurisdiction to intervene. Armed with that verdict, the government has gone ahead to demolish the structures in the Secretariat, which sprawled in over 25-acre land. In fact, the opposition parties, especially the Congress and BJP, were up in arms against the government's decision to go ahead with demolition. Where is the hurry was the argument of both parties. Interestingly, it was the senior Congress leader Marishashidhar Reddy who unravelled new theory behind the Chief Minister's determination. This is what he said.
This Vastu thing that is being talked about, that it is said that a Chief Minister's son will not become a Chief Minister in this Secretariat. This is what needs to be done for Vastu. Spend public money in this wasteful manner. I would have said go to hell, because we can't be superstitious, and we can't be, we are not, we are only the custodians of the money of people, public money, and we can't squander money in this manner.
Contrary to this, the state BJP spokesperson Krishna Sagar Rao too has interesting justification to find fault with the government. He said while the state is reeling under most dreaded pandemic COVID-19, the Chief Minister could have as well converted the entire Secretariat into a special COVID hospital. It could have accommodated more than 25,000 beds and got him good name, as it could have been the biggest COVID camp hospital in the country. Listen to him.
CM KCR mercilessly is going ahead demolishing the buildings, which could actually house 25,000 more beds for the COVID patients of Telangana state. This is unbelievably irresponsible, and Bharatiya Janata Party seeks an explanation to the people of Telangana as to why CM KCR is prioritizing his whims and fancies over the public health and the lives and livelihoods of the people of Telangana state.
Meanwhile, though the government tried to justify its action, the court asked, why didn't you follow the procedures? Have you informed the concerned departments? Did the government obtain permissions? To that, it has gathered the defense lawyer on behalf of the government and apparently claimed that they have already applied for required permissions and they might get it in a day or two and sought the court not to stay. But the court turned down their request and stayed the demolition works. This is MS Purthy for Orange News 9 TV.